Through the fields a train rolled bright, with veggies dancing in pure delight. Carrot led with a beaming cheer, guiding friends both far and near. Broccoli bounced with leafy glee, adding a touch of greenery. Potato rolled a joyful sight, bringing laughter warm and light. Brinjal giggled round and bold, tomato twirled with hues of gold. Peas leaped high with happy beats, tiny jumps like bouncing treats. Pepper spun with fiery flair, a spicy twist danced through the air. The veggies sang, their voices light, a symphony of colors bright. Sunlight wrapped them in its glow, as through the fields they swayed in flow. With every hop and twirl so free, a veggie train of harmony. Brinjal giggled round and bold, tomato twirled with hues of gold. Peas leaped high with happy beats, tiny jumps like bouncing treats. Sunlight wrapped them in its glow, as through the fields they swayed in flow. With every hop and twirl so free, a veggie train of harmony. Oh, woo-hoo. Oh, veggie train of harmony. Oh, woo-hoo. Veggie train of harmony.